How to use probe compensation. Easson VMM practical demonstration. Use probe measure a standard 50 mm diameter ring gauge. Click probe and select level circle measurement command. Use probe to touch at least 3 different points of ring gauge. Note: when use probe function for measurement, be sure to touch the workpiece with the ruby on the probe. Right-click Finish Measurement. Standard 50 mm ring gauge measures a diameter of 49.978. Go to Probe Setting. Probe we have 2 specification, 2 mm and 3 mm. Demo video is 2 mm. Probe compensation method. The standard value is 50 mm, and the measured data is 49.978. Therefore, the compensation value is 1.978. which is 50 minus 49 mm, and the decimal point follows the measured value. After input the compensation value, measure again the ring gauge. Right-click Finish Measurement. Now the result is 50.001 mm after done compensation.